To start a new test on the CardioCoach, select New Test, then New Client. Enter in the client's information. Select VO2. Once all required information is entered, select Start Test, and the machine will begin calibrating. While the unit is calibrating, make sure that nothing is blocking the air intake valve and that the tube is not connected. Make sure that the correct port VO2 is open and that the alternate port is capped. Calibration usually lasts 1 to 2 minutes. During calibration, you can fit the client with the heart rate strap and attach the VO2 mask so they can be ready to start the graded exercise test as soon as the calibration cycle is complete. Locate the heart rate chest strap. Attach the heart rate transmitter to the elastic strap. You will hear the sensor snap into place. Wet the grooved electrode areas on the back of the strap with electro-lubricating gel to help produce conductivity. Secure the strap around the client's chest directly over the xiphoid process or right under the pectorals. Adjust the strap length so the fit is snug yet comfortable. The wet electrode areas should be firmly against the skin. Click the Find Heart Rate button in the software. Locate your heart rate device and connect. If the heart rate signal is not steady, adjust the placement of the strap. If it continues to be unreliable, the battery of your heart rate strap may have expired. New heart rate straps can be ordered from Core's website at core.com. After the machine has calibrated, you will see a Waiting for First Breath message appear. With the client mask on, connect the VO2 hose to the air intake valve. The unit will read Detecting Stable Heart Rate and Breathing. Have the client simply stand and breathe while waiting. This will allow them to acclimate to the sensation of breathing through the mask and will eliminate the erroneous data that occurs with hyperventilation. Once the CardioCoach has detected steady breathing, the software will prompt Begin Testing. Click OK in the software and begin the treadmill or bike simultaneously. Start your client at a lower speed or resistance, increasing their workload gradually throughout the test to slowly see their heart rate and VO2 increasing. If the client begins to feel pain at any time or needs to stop the test for any reason, simply click the red abort button in the bottom right corner and begin the heart rate recovery process. Be sure to communicate regularly with your client to make sure they're doing okay. This test will usually last about 7 to 15 minutes, depending on how conditioned your client is. During the course of the test, you will want to follow a protocol that increases workload in regular intervals. The CardioCoach records the workload data at each stage. This means that each time you increase incline, speed, or resistance on the bike or treadmill, you will want to record that change in the software and click the Save Stage button. If you run protocols through the software, pop-ups will appear regularly to instruct how and when to adjust the workload. If running through an ergometer or other compatible device, the workload is automatically adjusted on the device and each stage is automatically recorded in the software. Once the client reaches their anaerobic threshold, AT detected appears in a message on the screen. Click OK. To complete a submax test, continue the protocol at least 1 to 2 minutes until the client is ready to end the test. To complete a max test, have the client continue until exhaustion. At the completion of the test, a prompt will ask if the test was a max effort. At the point you want to end the test, hit End Test. This will end the test and allow you to begin the recovery process, which lasts about 2 minutes. Now, the test is complete. You can review the results with your client. These results can be printed or emailed directly to the client. You can also upload the results to the CardioCoach app so clients can easily incorporate their personal data into their workout routine.